In chapter 7 verse 13 Allah says قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذ أمرتك قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من دين. According to this verse, the nature of iblees is not submissive, being created out of fire. Why then did Allah command him to submit to Adam?
So the verse in question he has mentioned is verse number 13 from Surah Al-Araf. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala ma mana'aka alla tasjuda iz amartuka. Qala ana khairum minhu khalaqtani min narin wa khalaqtahu min teen. Translation is, God said, what prevented thee from submitting when I commanded thee? He said, I am better than he. Thou hast created me of fire, while him hast thou created of clay.
The question.
The question is, according to this verse, the nature of iblees being not submissive, of being created out of fire, then why did Allah command him to submit to Adam?
See, the argument of iblees is a defective argument in itself. It doesn't hold to reason. What he thought was, and what he claimed was, that the clay is burnt by fire and is destroyed by fire, so it is better. He said, I am made out of fire, and clay is just put anything of clay or anything growing in the clay into the fire and it will be burnt. So that shows I am better, I am superior. But he failed to understand that the power of growth is far better than the power of burning. Despite all fires, things which grow, they should continue to grow. The whole world is an evidence that fire could not put life off. Now you will be surprised to learn that there are great fires in the world, which are sometimes in Australia, for instance, hundreds of thousands of acres are burnt. But when everything is burned down, then the life springs forth. And it is important that after the burning, life must come forth, and it shows its superiority in another sense. That out of the fire, certain seeds give birth, are cracked, which give birth to new life. So every year this phenomena is repeated in Australia, and one can observe that fire is always defeated and the growth succeeds. So his argument was defective. Allah couldn't have refuted that argument without any reason. You understand?